What's up guys, and welcome to the channel. So I've just recently been into my local Lego store and I'm going to show you the haul I got in one of the Pick a Brick wall cups, so you can have a bit of an idea of what you can actually fit into them if you ever go to one of the shops. So I'll give you a look at the cup and the way I've stacked it, as you can see around the sides and the bottom. And I'll unload it and I'll give you a total count of the pieces and just show you what I've done. This isn't one of the bigger hauls I've had because I did want some of the specific pieces I was after for a couple of builds. But we'll have a look and see what we come up with. Now most of the Lego stores hold the same pieces. What I've noticed is in the USA, they get their pieces about 2 months before it hits the Australian market, so you guys are well ahead of us with seeing what parts come onto the wall. But it's always interesting to see the difference compared to the USA and Australia and how slow we are over here. So the best way to stack your cup is to connect everything together the best you can, because if you put them like that you can fit a whole lot more in. I know you're basically only saving a few cents, a few dollars I suppose with each pieces, but you fit more in. It takes a lot more time, so if you're pressed for time you're probably not going to be able to do it. But if you've got a spare day to just go to one of the Lego shops and just sit down, start connecting all your pieces, you can get quite a haul out of it. I'll show you a really good haul next week because I've got a good plan for it. Okay, so overall for this cup we didn't do too bad. What dragged me down with this one was I wanted a whole bunch of these, and they take up a whole bunch of room, unfortunately, because they're so big. But I didn't manage to fill them up with pieces. But we ended up with 320 greys, 4 4x4 flat greens, which I usually chuck in the top of the cup because they fit nicely in the top of the lid, 190 translucents, we ended up with 96 golds, we ended up with 144 of those, 68 of those, 6 of the translucent walls, 6 of these tiles, 13 of these, just a couple of these I added onto the top, 6 of the quarter circle ones, 10 of the 4x1s with the holes, 7 of these, 1 pole I suppose you could call it, 16 of these light green pieces, and 3 of the brooms. So a grand total of 888 pieces. So not too bad a haul this time. But like I said, you know, when you get these bigger pieces it does drag down the amount of Lego you can actually put into the containers. But on the next one we'll see how much we can actually show you. So hit that subscribe button guys. I'll do another one of these next week and I'll catch you later.